The same strange thing that happened to FTX about 3 months before it collapsed is happening now to Binance. I'm going to get into this right now. I'm going to read a tweet from Sam Trabucco 3 months before FTX collapsed. Who's Sam? He was a co-CEO of Alameda Research. He worked right beside Sam Bankman-Fried and Caroline Ellison, all right? You know, the company that used user funds and gambled it away and lost billions of dollars? Yes, these people. He tweeted this in August 2022, a couple months before FTX collapsed. He said, "For years, I couldn't think of anything more worthwhile to do with my time than give it to Alameda. I've honestly been thrilled to be part of it despite being difficult and exhausting and consuming, but I've reached a point in my life to where I need to prioritize other things." He went on to say, "What other things? I'm really not sure exactly. Lately, I've been really happy spending a lot of time traveling, visiting friends and family, working on myself and whatnot. And I also bought a boat. That's been cool. I needed to relax and I'm really, really happy." Now, see if you can see the similarities between this guy, Sam, and the compliance officer for Binance that literally just quit. I've been in crypto compliance since 2015 when I joined Zappo, spending the last 6 years straight leading and growing the compliance functions at Kraken and Binance without a break. At this point, I am really simply tired. And according to my wife, fat, and I need to lose some weight. He also went on to say, and apparently I need to start helping around the house, do chores, and start making dinner a few times a week. And as a happily married man knows out there, happy wife equals happy life. Now, first off, why are these people telling you all of this stuff that you really don't need to know? Now, I found this through AP Abacus on Twitter, and he said these resignation tweets from Binance executives are very, very strange. They sound almost coerced, forced in some way. They sound like there's more to do than just what they are saying on Twitter, and that they might be scared or they know something that is about to happen to Binance. All I'm saying is that it's something to really pay attention to, and not just write this off as stupid FUD and like, oh, you guys hate Binance. No, actually, if you're a CT Club member of ours, you know that we use Binance all the time. That's one of my favorite centralized exchanges. Heidi would kill me for saying that, but it is. And so I'm not trying to trash Binance as much as possible, but I am giving you the alerts because that's what we do. We say hard information, like when we brought up Celsius before that collapse. We got a lot of hate for that. And when Heidi brought up when FTX was going to collapse, 2 weeks before it collapsed, she called Sam Bankman-Fried a fraud, and she got crap for that until it came out to be he was a fraud. So this is what we're doing with this channel. Anyways, what are your thoughts on what is happening? I would love to hear it with your comments down below. So it's kind of interesting to see what is happening here. I don't understand why anybody would actually get into their life like that and go into that much detail. It's very strange. But what is happening right now is all these people are leaving Binance because they're getting pinched by so many different governments out there. They're being sued, they're being investigated, and all this stuff. And what could happen to Binance right now is that they are going to have death by 1,000 cuts. And so it's unfortunate to see this happening, but as you know, the Wall Street is hopping in on this game, and they're not going to want any of the crypto boys like CZ Binance or anybody at Kraken to run the show. They're going to want to run the show. So unfortunately, that's what's happening right now. But I want to hear your thoughts below. Please let me know if I'm wrong, if I'm missing something. I'm all ears. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.